In a world where coffee is not just a beverage but an experience, having the right brewing tool is paramount. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a coffee enthusiast who cherishes the ritual of brewing a perfect cup, this Tecohors French press coffee maker is designed to transform your daily coffee routine into a luxurious ritual. This review dives deep into what makes this coffee press a must-have for any coffee lover, exploring its features, benefits, and why it stands out in the crowded market of coffee making. Why the Tecohors French press coffee maker is a game changer. The Tecohors French press is more than just a coffee maker. It's a statement piece in your kitchen. It embodies the perfect blend of functionality and elegance, offering an unmatched coffee brewing experience. Let's break down the features that make this French press an essential addition to your coffee arsenal. 1. Superior craftsmanship and design. One of the first things you'll notice about the Tecohors French press coffee maker is its impeccable build quality. The carafe is made from thickened borosilicate glass that not only enhances its durability, but also ensures that your coffee retains its optimal temperature for longer periods. This high-quality glass is resistant to heat, so you don't have to worry about cracks or breakage, even when brewing at high temperature. The handle and base are constructed from 304 stainless steel, known for its rust-resistant properties and longevity. This means you're investing in a coffee maker that will serve you for years without losing its aesthetic appeal or functionality. 2. Versatility at its best. While many coffee makers are designed for just one purpose, the Tecohors French press stands out for its versatility. This 34-oz, 1-quart coffee press is not just limited to brewing coffee. It can also be used as a tea maker or even a milk frother. Whether you're in the mood for a strong cup of French press coffee, a soothing herbal tea, or a frothy milk latte, this French press has you covered. It's perfect for home, office, or even outdoor activities like camping and family gatherings. Imagine brewing a fresh cup of coffee by the campfire or enjoying a pot of tea during a cozy evening with loved ones. Tecohors French press makes it all possible. 3. Advanced 4-level filter system. Nothing ruins a cup of French press coffee faster than the gritty texture of coffee grounds slipping through the filter. The Tecohors French press addresses this issue with its 4-level filter system. This innovative design uses double-screen filter technology with 4 stainless steel screens, ensuring that 99% of coffee grounds are filtered out. The result? A smooth, rich-flavored coffee that's free of unwanted sediments. You can now enjoy a full-bodied cup of coffee that's as close to perfection as it gets. Plus, with 2 of the screens placed separately, you can add or replace them as needed, ensuring that your French press remains in peak condition. Before. Easy to use. Easier to clean. Brewing coffee should be a pleasure, not a chore, and the Tecohors French press makes it so. Its design is user-friendly, allowing even beginners to brew a perfect cup of coffee with ease. Process is straightforward. Add your coffee grounds, pour in hot water, let it steep, and press the plunger. In just a few minutes, you'll have a delicious, aromatic cup of coffee ready to enjoy. When it comes to cleaning, the Tecohors French press excels here as well. Glass carafe can be easily disassembled, making it easy to clean thoroughly. Parts like the plunger and filter are dishwasher safe, so you can save time and effort in maintaining your coffee maker. 5. Safe and reliable materials. Safety is a top priority, especially when it comes to kitchen appliances. Tecohors French press is made from materials that are not only durable, but also safe for you and your family. The borosilicate glass is BPA-free, and the 304 stainless steel components are corrosion-resistant and anti-deformation. This ensures that no harmful chemicals leach into your coffee, and your French press maintains its structural integrity over time. 6. Worry-free after-sales support. Purchasing a product online can sometimes be a gamble, but with the Tecohors French press, you can buy with confidence. The company offers 24-hour customer service support to address any issues you may encounter. Since glass is a fragile material, they also provide a replacement glass beaker if yours arrives damaged. This level of customer care ensures that you're not just buying a product, also peace of mind. The Tecohors French press coffee maker is ideal for anyone who values the art of coffee brewing. Whether you're a coffee aficionado who insists on the perfect cup or a casual drinker who enjoys a quality brew, this French press will elevate your coffee experience. It's also a fantastic option for those who appreciate versatility in their kitchen tools, as it doubles as a tea maker and milk frother. This French press is also perfect for those who love hosting. Its 34 capacity makes it possible to brew multiple cups at once, making it ideal for family gatherings, brunches, or any social occasion. If you're someone who enjoys outdoor activities like camping, the Tecohors French press is a great companion, allowing you to enjoy high-quality coffee even in the wilderness. With so many French presses on the market, what makes the Tecohors French press coffee maker the one to choose? It's the attention to detail and commitment to quality that sets it apart. From its superior materials and design to its advanced filtering system, this French press is designed to deliver an exceptional brewing experience. Unlike other coffee makers that may compromise on materials or functionality, the Tecohors French press offers the best of both worlds. It's built to last, easy to use, and delivers a consistently excellent cup of coffee. Plus, its versatility means you're getting more than just a coffee maker. You're getting a multifunctional tool that adds value to your daily routine. How to get the most out of your Tecohors French press. To truly appreciate the Tecohors French press, it's important to understand the nuances of brewing with a French press. Here are a few tips to help you brew the perfect cup. 1. Use coarse coffee grounds. For best results, use coarsely ground coffee. Fine grounds can slip through the filter and create a gritty texture. 2. Preheat the carafe. Before adding your coffee grounds, preheat the carafe with hot water. This helps maintain the optimal brewing temperature. 3. Steep for the right time. The ideal steeping time is around 4 minutes. This allows the coffee to fully extract, giving you a rich and flavorful brew. 4. Press slowly. When pressing the plunger, do it slowly and steadily. This helps prevent coffee grounds from escaping through the filter. Final thoughts. Why you should choose the Tecohors French press. The Tecohors French press coffee maker is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's a tool that enhances your daily coffee ritual. Its superior craftsmanship, versatile functionality, and advanced filtering system make it a standout choice for anyone who values quality and convenience in their coffee brewing experience. Whether you're brewing a single cup or preparing coffee for a group, this French press delivers consistent, flavorful results every time. Its durable materials ensure it will be a long-lasting addition to your kitchen, and its ease of use makes it accessible to everyone, from coffee novices to seasoned baristas. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.